Want extra income without burning every evening in front of a second job? AI is rewriting side hustles. From automated writing to instant online stores, these are 10 AI side hustles you can start today, even if you've never freelanced before. Think of Emma, a stay-at-home mom in Ohio who loves storytelling. She uses ChatGPT Studio and Jasper AI to draft blog posts and email campaigns while her kids nap. Clients on Upwork pay her hundreds per article, and she's building her own ad-supported blog. AI gives her professional writing team without the overhead. Mike in Denver loves true crime stories but hates filming himself. He runs a faceless YouTube channel where Descript and VO3 write full scripts, create voiceovers, and edit videos. Mike focuses on ideas. AI handles the production. The result? A growing channel and ad revenue without expensive cameras. Remember the student who doodled in class? Meet Jasmine, now turning those doodles into income. She combines Midjourney V7 and Canva Magic Studio to create unique t-shirt and poster designs and sells them on Etsy and Redbubble. AI art means zero inventory and 24/7 sales while she studies. Small businesses lose customers when no one answers messages. Carlos, a former barista in Austin, now builds ChatGPT API and ManyChat AI bots for local coffee shops and salons. He charges a setup fee plus monthly maintenance, creating 24/7 customer service while he sleeps. Lena, a hobby photographer in Portland, uses Runway Gen 3 and Picolabs 2025 to generate cinematic B-roll she once could only dream of shooting. She uploads these to Shutterstock and Adobe Stock and earns royalties every time filmmakers license them. Busy local shops need social media, but can't afford agencies. Alex uses Buffer AI and Opus Clip Pro to auto-schedule posts and repurpose long videos into dozens of viral shorts. He charges monthly retainers, freeing owners to run their businesses while he manages their feeds in minutes a day. Startups need a web presence fast. Taylor offers a website-in-a-day service using durable AI and Framer AI, generating polished, mobile-ready sites and sales funnels. Clients pay for speed and elegance, and Taylor upsells maintenance packages for recurring income.
Experience the future of sound.
Echoes of tomorrow, softly humming.
Need professional audio without studio costs? With 11 Labs Voice AI, Jordan narrates children's books and explainer videos from a laptop. He licenses his voice packs on ACX and earns while focusing on marketing, not endless retakes.
And the tangent of x is -1, which is that reference angle of 45 degrees, or pi over 4.
We're just trying to solve for x here. Now we're going to put that back in.
Now,
Let's consider the concept of linear equations and their application to real-world scenarios.
What do you do?
The results indicate a significant correlation, suggesting our initial hypothesis holds true.
Meet David, a veteran math teacher in Texas, and Maria, a high school math instructor in New York. Both wanted to keep teaching, but on their own terms. Using powerful AI lesson generators, they each run thriving online SAT prep programs from home. AI instantly builds their slide decks, quizzes, and full practice sets, freeing them to focus on live Zoom tutoring sessions and a packaged polished course bundle for students who prefer self-paced study. With AI handling the heavy prep work, David and Maria can reach students nationwide, teach fewer hours, and still grow their income, proving that a love for teaching plus smart technology can open doors far beyond the traditional classroom. Entrepreneurs pay for insight. With Perplexity Pro and Claude Sonnet, Marcus delivers deep market reports and competitor analyses. A weekend of AI research can become a high-ticket consulting product for startups and investors. Every hustle here can start small and grow big. Pick one that excites you. Take action today and let AI handle the heavy lifting. Which one will you start first? Drop your choice in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more FutureTools daily insights.